So I already went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera. And now I'm just going to go in and use my Nella.bellaaaxo facial spray to prep my face. And then I always like to start with my eyes. So I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Neutral. And I'm just going to use this to prime my eyes. And then I'm gonna go in with this palette, the Nude palette by Huda Beauty. Now I'm just gonna take this peachy shade and I'm gonna pat that on my crease. And then I'm just gonna blend that out. Now I'm just going to take this darker shade right here called Teddy, and I'm just going to use that to deepen up my crease and my outer corner. Next, I'm just going to take this gold shimmer shade and I'm just going to apply that onto my lid. Now I'm just blending everything out with the blending brush, just going over everything and making sure it's all smooth. And then I'm going to go in with this white shade right here and I'm going to apply that to my brow bone. Now I'm just going to go ahead and prime my face using the Too Faced Hangover Primer. And for foundation, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation. Now I'm just going to take this big fluffy brush to blend everything out. To contour my nose, I'm just going to be using the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Cocoa. And I'm just going to be taking this round blending eyeshadow brush to blend that out. To conceal underneath my eyes, I'm going to be using the same concealer I used for my eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Neutral. And I'm just going to apply this under my eyes, on my smile line, down my nose, on my cupid's bow, or above my cupid's bow, and on my chin, and then on my forehead. So after I apply my concealer, before I blend it out, I like to apply my lipstick or lip gloss. Today I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Gloss in Fussy. I'm just going to be taking that same fluffy brush that I used for my foundation to blend out my concealer. To set my concealer, I like to use two different powders. I use the banana baking powder by Revolution and the Airspun translucent powder. I like to put the banana powder under my eyes, and then I use the translucent powder to set the rest of my face. To bronze my face, I'm just going to be using the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. For blush, I'm going to be using this blush called Captivating by Tarte, and I like to apply that to my cheeks, a little bit on my chin, and just a tiny bit on my forehead. For highlight, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter, and I'm just going to use my finger to apply it on my nose and my Cupid's bow. And then I like to wet the brush before I apply it to my face. Now I'm just going to use the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray to give my face a more dewy look. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial. This is just my everyday makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this look.